Today we are looking at a large industrial blower fan. This unit will cross over into suction for things such as paint booths or anything you would need to use vacuum on, or it will also work with a grain bin. This particular unit is equipped with a 7.5 horsepower, and it is also a dual voltage machine. On the 50 hertz side, it is a 5 horsepower. Here are the specs of the fan. This is fan AA for our inventory purposes. 7.5 horsepower, 208, 230, 460 volt. Inlet of 28 inches and outlet of 16 inches by 28 inches. The outlet is here, as you can see. This unit has been brought into the shop, completely rebuilt, sandblasted, painted. This is the inlet here, 28-inch inlet. The motor has been to our motor shop. The unit has brand new bearings. It's a very nice fan, ready to go to work and run for a long time. We're going to fire the unit up for you now. See, the unit starts strong and runs strong. No irregular noises. Just a very nice unit. Ready to go to work, as I said. We have the unit shutting down now. Unit coasts to a stop as it should. See, the unit just continues to spin. Bearings are very good in this unit. As I said, the motor went to a repair shop. The unit has all new bearings, ready to go to work and run for a long time. Full walk around of the unit. Unit is equipped with a Marathon 3-phase electric motor, 28-inch inlet, 16-inch by 28-inch outlet. This unit can be used as a suction fan or blower fan. The unit will also work great on grain bins. This unit is readily available through us here at Commodity Traders International. For all other seed grain, feed, recycling, and research equipment, please reach out to us. A link will be in the video description down below. Thank you so much for watching.